Good morning. Today is Thursday, December 10th. We are in live meetings today for math, reading, and science. Don't forget to meet in Mrs. Golanowski's room for science today. Today we are going to start and kick off with our new reading curriculum. So we have some new directions there as well. And then we're also going to go over in language arts today. I'm just going to scroll down here. We're also going to go over that transformation project, and I want to just check in with you and make sure, see if you have any questions with that as you have gotten started there yesterday. Your homework today is just to continue working on that cold transformation project and theme summary. Don't forget that this is due Monday, December 14th, so you do have the weekend to complete this and look this over as well. In math today, we are going to be doing the lesson 312 in CPM. We're going to review the giant one. We're going to look at the word portion, and then we're also going to think about that word portion and how that relates to percents. Your homework today is 3.1.2, and this does need to be completed and also submitted to Schoology. Don't forget to upload those 3.1.2 Cornell notes also in that same folder for today in math. Have that set and ready to go so that we can get started in math today with your Cornell notes. In social studies, still no homework, but would you do me a favor? And there is a new white resource folder where I'd like you to just make sure that you have the Northern Lights PDF chapter 5 ready to go. So if you could just get that into Notability so that we can get started with that next week. And in science today, just you attending science is your assignment. So there's no assignment due, but we're going to go over velocity, and we're going to think about distance and displacement, and we're going to just review some discovery education assignments for tomorrow so that you're set and ready to go and you can work independently with that as well. So I just want to just show you really quickly in Schoology where to find that social studies. So if you're in social studies here, you're going to see it's this white folder that says Northern Lights PDF, and all you have to do is just have that downloaded, but you're not reading or doing anything with it. Just make sure it's set and ready to go. As always, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you either at 9 o'clock for math, or I will see you at 11 o'clock for language arts. Have a great day.